working on my form. My form be off when I'm doing regular squat. I don't even feel like I do lunges right, but whatever I hate, that's what I'm doing.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people, it's another one. It's a beautiful day, Shalom Lando, and I am the Lando, right? Y'all see me do a lot of consuming videos. I'm talking low because it's early. It's like 6 o'clock. Family's still asleep. But I also try to maintain my weight, eat healthy. Throughout the week, I eat very healthy, by the way. Once in a while, I might drop a video for you in the week, but really, that's just for y'all. I eat very healthy during the week. It's not my lifestyle to be eating unhealthy. On the weekends, though, I get to it. So now, I'm about to head to the gym, right? I'm about to go to the gym. If I go to the gym, I see my wife bought this Rise coffee, so I'm going to test it out. Well, I tried it a few times already, and it's pretty good. So, I'm not a coffee drinker, but I'm going to drink it today. Go to the gym, knock out some legs. Know what I mean? Nobody said nothing to me about my big spoon. I don't even know how much you're supposed to put in there, but I can heat up my water already. You know? Water is heated up. That's all we need right here for the gym. We about to turn up. But before I do all that, take some protein shake, plant-based. This is pretty dope. It's actually, I just bought this one because my other protein ran out, and I had one out of it already. It's pretty good. I love the flavor. It has ashwagandha in there, which stands out for me. You know, ashwagandha is very powerful. The strength, balance, properties. I'm just trying to read everything. And chaga, never heard of that. Chaga originally cultivated in Siberia as far back as the 16th century. Thrived in cold northern forests. Hunters and foragers reportedly drank chaga tea for productivity and endurance. So that's good. I need that turmeric, of course. We know what turmeric is. You know, so this is what we're dealing with. And get that going. 2 scoops of this. Peanut butter. I always add my peanut butter. I need that scoop back. Peanut butter is part of everything. Scoop of peanut butter. More protein. Feel me? There's more protein. About 8 ounces of almond milk. I don't even know if 8 ounces is in here. Oh, gotta go buy some more almond milk. Just enough, boy. Yeah, that's it. We about to hit the road. Gotta go hit the gym. I don't know. My wife just texted me, so she might be coming. We shall see. But make sure y'all get it in. Yeah, I'm in the gym. I really try to go there at 5, but my wife was just up here talking to me. You know what I mean? All right, people, we about to head to the gym. One of the things I do before I hit the road, of course, I say my prayers. I already did that. But I put on the Bible app. For those who not really into reading, the Bible app is amazing, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The Bible app is amazing. So that's one of the things I do. You know? So make sure you get that word in, man. Y'all want all this stuff, but y'all ain't even trying to get to know the Most High. You gotta at least build a relationship. Yeah.
Jesus went through the grain fields on the
As I was saying, if you're not too strong with the reading, or you're always hold up. This is disrespectful.
Your disciples are doing
I can't be not what.
If
you're always, what I'm saying is, you're always busy on the road. I'm a busy man. I'm on the road. I read. I do. But I'm more time on the road. I'm a trucker. So one of those habits I picked up was I listen to the audiobook, my audio Bible.
faithfully. And yeah. So if you're struggling like that, man, just go ahead and listen to the audiobook. We ask God for all these things, right? And all he asks is just a relationship. He wants a relationship with you. Build that relationship. You know? Seek the kingdom first. In all things. That's a cheat code. That's a cheat code of life. You seek the kingdom and everything. God got you. God say, bruh, all I want out of you is you to seek my kingdom, get to know where you from, what's going on, how we move over here. You know what I'm saying? So that's how me and my God talk. And yeah. But yeah, that's enough about that, guys. But I'm on my way to the gym. Leg day. I'm trying a different type of leg day now, man. I mean, more free weights. I guess you would say, is that free weights? I don't know. But I'm doing kettlebell, dumbbell. I'm not necessarily hitting the squat bar. I might. It depends how I feel today. But I'm just, the older I get, I try to preserve these joints. I'm not lifting. What am I lifting heavy for? I used to lift crazy heavy, maxing out, stupid. What you lifting heavy for? I'm more so working out to maintain. This is preventive maintenance. You understand? Yeah. That's what it is, y'all. We're on our way to the Jimmy Yoski. It looks like it's about to rain, too. Yeah. We'll see.
Who had a withered hand, and they asked him, saying, "Is it lawful to heal on the Sabbath?"
Sunday bells in a distance ring. Dust on my boots, got a prayer sing. Life gets heavy, the road gets long, but the Lord still hunts me in mercy.
People, we got a problem. Excuse me. I left my headphones. Ain't no working out without headphones. I'm telling you that right now. I gotta go back home. Dang, bro. I'm gonna get my headphones. I thought I had my spirit headphones in here, but it's not. Dang, man. I gotta go back home. Yeah. We're not working out without headphones. All right. It's gonna be a good day. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, that's God. You see, when things like that happen, that's God detouring you for something, or from something that was supposed to happen or wasn't supposed to happen. So take it like that. Don't ever take it as like, oh man, I'm mad. That's God. I'm here, Bell. See, but look at this. It wasn't sunny, but it was, it was pouring rain. This is Florida for you, though. You live in Florida, I'm telling you, 5 minutes, it's super raining. Next 5 minutes, not raining. Now watch. Y'all might see in this video, I go around the corner and it's sunny. You remember that Forrest Gump video? Forrest Gump movie? Florida's like that. They might have been in Florida. They lied. Florida's the only place that do stuff like that. It's all good. Got him, y'all. I had to come back and get him. I can't work out without music. It's crazy. That's where we at though. But I got him. All right. A little stretch ain't never hurt nobody. Wow. Man, see that? Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold. Prime time, Lando, yeah, the journey unfold. Press record, make the story. Alright. People, we got goblet squat, right? We got goblet squat. We got 3 times 15. I don't really use it. Usually do goblet squat, but I'm changing up my workout. Change my workout out. Okay. So yeah, 3 times 15. Working on my form, cause my form be off when I'm doing regular squat. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm not. My back be feeling a little different, so Not pain, but a little thorny. Wasn't that bad. I was 65 pounds. I could go higher, but I'm just working on getting comfortable and doing this. I could go higher. I really want to do it with the kettlebell, but I ain't comfortable with the kettlebell. It's something new. I just started working out with kettlebell like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Anyways, these kettlebell be feeling heavy than the mug. Let me see something. 97. Nah, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. The gym ain't too bad right now. The gym's not too bad right now. Good thing. It's a decent amount of people in here because, it's President's Day. It ain't too bad. All right. I got lunges. I hate lunges, by the way. I don't even feel like I do lunges right, but whatever I hate, that's what I'm doing. 3 times 20 steps. My balance be off, but that's what it's for. For that balance, get that balance right. I'm gonna do it right eventually. Practice makes perfect. So don't be laughing at me. Feel free to drop in the comments advice, All right, so we got 3 sets of 10 of jump squat. Jump squat, I'm using a 35. That's just me. I mean, I hate this too. I hate all these workouts. But things that we hate, most of the time it's what's good for you. So there we go. 3 times 10.
Positive living, me, I move with finesse. Choking on God, 18 wheels, but I gotta run the show. Keep myself in a rain, hurricane and snow. Pre-trip ready, PSI them low. Think that quick, then back on the go. From bro up to
Alright. Got deadlift, y'all. I'm gonna use this deadlift bar rather than the straight bar. I'm not really used to use this deadlift bar. I only use it once actually. Somebody told me I was doing it wrong. I don't know. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. I know some high school, y'all was told it's like, I don't know if it was high school, it's some form of training. So when I'm going down, I'm looking up. Somebody started getting injured like that. I don't know how to do that. I ain't never heard that. But don't. This is dumb. Oh, I think this is smart. We're gonna see how I'm gonna get it on here. I'm gonna get it up though. This is dumb, Lando. Good thing this ain't that heavy. So if it was heavy, this would be dangerous. Good job. Yeah. Oh. Deadlift is not my favorite. A couple years back, I injured my back on deadlift and I stopped doing deadlift. Just like about, before I got married. I've been married over 10 years. No, almost 10 years. But it's probably about 11, 12 years, and I said, I don't need deadlift. What I'm doing deadlift for. I really don't, but I'm trying to add it back in. Every time I research best leg workout, deadlift is one of them. So I add it back in. I can judge and rate my form, rate if I'm doing it right. We about to see. They look down, but I don't feel like look down at me. I'm more so looking up, keep that back. If I look down, my back naturally going. That's just how I was taught, man. Don't judge me. I'm just. Ready? Right now I do. Another thing I see people always touch the ground, but I'm tall, man. I'm 6'4". That's a long way down, man. That's another adjustment that I've done. I'm tall. I've made it adjustment because so you're really supposed to be bending your knee. Well, I ain't say not bending your knee. You're supposed to. It's not a squat. Most people tend to do a squat. So I'm trying not to do a squat. I go down. Or I can go lower, but I have to. I'm gonna end up in a squat. It's my journey to getting swole, y'all. By get swole on. Been working out majority of my life. It don't look like it. I feel like I do alright. I've been the same weight though for the last probably 15 years, 16 years. Yeah, it ain't too bad. Good chub. Oh, we doing this 45 seconds, y'all. 3 of them things. I'm trying to get right, man. Not trying, I'm gonna get right. 8-pack next year. So throw, I'm so throwed off. This Stairmaster, 20 to 25 minutes. Know what I mean? I'm working. 12 minutes in. Look at that. A little sweat. A little sweat good for you. There you go. It's really more than 25. I'm gonna watch a little bit behind. Hit that sauna. If it ain't full. Shalom, shalom, people. Mission is complete. My question for you is, did you get better today? Are you gonna get better today? Come on, man. Let's get active today, baby. Let's get active. I feel good. I'm not gonna lie. I was on another level in that gym. I felt like running a good 2 mile after getting off that Stairmaster. I was like, yo, your energy is crazy right now. Workout done, guys. Workout done. I'm about to go home. Actually, I'm about to go to Publix. Go buy some oats milk. Cause I'm out of milk. Go home. Drink a shake. I don't know what meal I'm about to make. I'm feeling like going back plant-based. I'm not gonna lie. I've been feeling plant-based lately, man. But I'm definitely about to make something high protein for sure. We know that, right? And go home and eat something. Hopefully wifey cooks something because she's at the house. But knowing her, she probably still asleep because it's her day off. Everybody off today. But either way, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, like it, and share it, man. Make sure y'all go out there and get better, man. We work out. We're not working out to play sports. We're working out to maintain. Keep these joints good, man. The good book said mammals work. That's one of the first mission God gave. Mammals work, right? Working out is work. Work. You know, I would never stop working, right? Never. Don't let that go over your head. I would never stop working. I'm gonna be 100 years old still working. Yeah. When I say work, I'm not talking about traditionally. It's traditional work. I'm gonna be in my backyard, my garden, doing something. I'm gonna be walking something. You know? But either way, man, make sure y'all get better, man. Go read the good word, man. The Most High say, hey, get to know me, son, daughter. I want you to get to know me. But, yeah. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching, though, man. It's your boy, Lando. I'm out!